Good morning. I took a loss on SNOA. Um, I initially wanted to short it. There were no shares to short. I know it's a one and done chart with volume resistance, 60 million volume resistance, but it's had volume today and it's a low float. Um, and on Oracle, it was not green, but what I was looking for was I saw that it kind of dipped here, right? And first of all, it's so heavy. It just keeps resisting 1336. Bumps its head all the time. So now it's underneath this support level. There's this other support level. So this is the top of pre-market high. And this is like the next level of pre-market highs. So I see that it kind of stops here and starts to curl and is kind of breaking out of this previous resistance level. So I'm like, okay, I'll give it a shot. And I'm in from 1142. It immediately turns back and now we're at 1060. And I'm like, well, my risk was 1032. I gave myself like $1.10 of risk, which I felt comfortable on. And then we started grinding higher and it got all the way to like 1153, 1180. And it seems like, all right, we've touched back on this side and now we're going to keep going higher. No, it just turns around, dips below this level, comes back a little, and now totally breaks my support. So that was my trade plan. So I did my plan. So my risk was 1032. I ended up getting out at 1022. Um, there were no like shares to short. So, but this has a $5 short delta. But it was just going sideways too as a low float, and that's been kind of dangerous for me before, especially with this little curling action. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna long it because it's not acting like a short, but this was kind of shorty, and the failed 1 day spike from before on the daily chart was kind of shorty. Um, so maybe I should have just taken like whatever profits I could have taken and gotten out of it because it was acting weird. It felt very heavy to me, like a heavy stock, like it's a low float, but it's not moving the way that I want. So that's what happened on this one. Um, Fine, it is what it is. I gave it a shot. I missed the train on the previous low float runner, so I wanted to be patient and I was patient and it didn't work out. And that's all I can do. So that's all for now. Hope you have a good day. Thank you. Goodbye.